Imagine walking in the forest. In front of you, one of the 500,000 species in the world. You could be the best botanist on earth and try to identify this tree, but you can ask for an easier way. Algorithms for recognition of a plant by its leaves have good applications for nature conservation, medicinal research, or agri-food industry. And yet, they got stuck on pictures with noise or varying light conditions. I hope that by now you are getting the feeling that there must be a better AI-based solution.
The Unicamp biology research team recommended us the LeafSnap dataset. Leaves pictures are sorted by their scientific names, and for each we have two subsets available: lab images, shot in controlled backlit and frontlit environments, and field images, taken by smartphones in outdoor environments. These images contain varying amounts of blur, noise, shadows, and so on. All images also come in their segmented versions. Yet, we chose not to use this as we don't want to pre-process images. LeafSnap contains 185 species, with almost 200 images per species.
The performance measure that makes sense here is the accuracy of predicted species. Here are the results from different papers, all using smaller datasets than LeafSnap. The average accuracy is 94%, and this is remarkable. You can also notice that 3 out of 4 used convolutional neural networks that process the images. We chose to work with the neural net presented in this last paper from Vic and Pope, with the sensible objective of reaching 80% accuracy on all the classes. The network is small and very efficient if it's fine-tuned, and it could be easily loaded into a smartphone.
Here's a summary of how the capacity has been increased. Because we only have hundreds of pictures per class, data augmentation was mandatory to improve generalization, rotating, flipping, and shifting the leaf pictures. We fine-tuned the activation, batch normalization, and dropout layers. The chosen optimizer is Atom, which includes a weight decay. The loss function to minimize here is cross entropy.
Considering only the lab images, the network did well, reaching an 87.6% accuracy after 50 epochs training. But this trained model didn't do good on field images. Our will is to generalize better to low-quality pictures too. So we merge field and lab images in order to increase the network robustness. After 50 epochs of training, we got 80.2% of accuracy on the test set. We can see by the confusion matrix the consistency of the results. This makes us very happy. We reached the objective, and this proved that the fine-tuning was very good. For future works, we would have worked on convolutional filters visualization to understand better the hidden layers and tune the network even better. Thank you for watching.